You're watching the Honor 9 Lite. Well, you're not watching it, you're watching me. But you're watching the video shot on the new Honor 9 Lite. And the reason we're doing this is because we're off to the launch in London and we're on the station waiting for the train to take us there. But the big selling point of this phone is its 4 cameras. That's 2 cameras on the front, 2 cameras on the rear. So to see if they're any good, what better way than to shoot the video and take pictures of the Honor 9 Lite with the Honor 9 Lite. What's it like? Well, watch the video and you're going to find out. Have arrived. You are looking at near Shoreditch in London, and Shoreditch is, well, it's usually a place you come to when you want to cultivate your beard, sip a artisan coffee, or perhaps buy the latest juice for your vape. But today we're coming to see the Honor 9 Lite, as you know, and in, well, less than an hour, just down this little road, that's where the phone is going to be unveiled. You're watching a video shot on the Honor 9 Lite ahead of its unveiling, so you get to see what the video performance is like. As we said, there's 4 cameras on this phone, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and they have the same specifications, so in theory the quality you get from the rear camera should be the same as you get from the front camera. We're going to be testing it out all day today, so you're going to see exactly how the Honor 9 Lite performs using video and photos. So we're going to go and have a quick artisan coffee ahead of the Honor 9 launch. Here it is, the Honor 9 Lite. This is a 5.6-inch screen, little bezels at the top, little bezels at the bottom, little bezels around the side, so it's a full screen display. It's full HD plus for the resolution. This is an aluminium body with glass on the front and the rear. This is very smooth, super reflective on the back. It does look great, and it also feels fantastic. It's completely flat, but it does feel pretty breakable. You can see a fingerprint sensor in the center here, and at the top you've got 2 camera lenses on the back and 2 camera lenses at the top on the front for super selfies. Now these are both the same specs, the same camera lenses on the front and the rear, so you're going to get pretty great performance. Honor's certainly putting an emphasis on selfies and high quality bokeh shots using the rear camera. Uses Android 8.0 with Huawei's EMUI 8.0 over the top. So this is pretty up to date in terms of software. Inside is a Kirin 659 processor. There's 32 gigabytes of RAM. And we think this is a really great little phone. Now, it's been announced for the UK at a price of £200. That's cheaper than the Honor 7X, which we already really like. That makes this certainly shaping up to be a bit of a bargain. We're going to investigate the Honor 9 Lite a little bit further, see what we can find out, and you can take a look at some photo examples on the site as well. And we'll have a full hands-on with this very, very shortly. And as we've said earlier, the video you're watching now is shot with the Honor 9 Lite itself. So you're getting a proper look at how this incredibly good value smartphone is shaping up.